So what you're gonna do is start up the car first. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this pad here: up, down, left, right, back, and enter. So right now it's telling you to push the back button. So you can do that. Once you go there, you over here where the red is. I mean orange. So you can push up into setting. You can push right, keep going. Until you see detail setting. So you can hold it down. You can go down. Until here. Then you go and push enter. Then you go back up. Push enter. And that's it to reset maintenance. Now you want to go back is keep pushing back. Then after that you can just go up or wherever you want. I always leave it on here. But that's it.